Alright, example 21, solve the linear system of inequalities and give one solution and one non-solution. So first we have to get both of the inequalities in slope-intercept form. So I'm rewriting the first one. To get x, I have to get y by itself, so I subtract 3x on both sides. So I have 4y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 20. To get y by itself, so divide everything by 4. So y is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 x plus 5. Do the same thing with the second inequality. I have x minus 4y is less than 12. Subtract x on both sides. I have negative 4y is less than negative x plus 12. I have to get y by itself, so divide everything by negative 4. So y, since I divided by negative, my inequality symbol flips to greater than, and then I have negative x divided by negative 4, which is 1/4 x positive, and then 12 divided by negative 4 is positive 3. So now I have to graph, and I'll graph the green inequality first. So my slope here is negative 3/4, and my y-intercept is 5. So I start my graph at positive 5 on the y-axis. And my slope tells me to go down 3 to the right 4. Okay. And then to extend my graph, I have to go up 3 to the left 4. Okay, and then I figure out what type of line I have here. So since my inequality is greater than or equal to, I know I'm going to have a solid line. So my solution will be on the line. Okay, and then the blue line, my slope here is 1/4. My y-intercept is 3. So I start my graph at, oh sorry, y-intercept should have been negative 3. 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. So I start my graph at negative 3. And then my slope tells me to go up 1 to the right 4. And then to extend the line, I go down 1 to the left 4. Alright, and then my inequality symbol here is greater than. So there's no line underneath, so then my line is dashed. So it means that the solution isn't on the line. Okay, so now to figure out which way I shade, I'm going to go back to the green line and I'm going to plug in the origin 0, 0. So if 0 is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 times 0 plus 5. Negative 3/4 times 0 is just 0. So I have 0 is greater than or equal to 5. And 0 is not greater than or equal to 5, so I have to shade everything above the green line. I can't shade the side with the 0, 0. Okay, I do the same thing with the blue line. I plug in my origin, my 0, 0 point, to see if I shade above or below the blue line. So if 0 is greater than 1/4 times 0 plus 3, plus negative 3. So if 0 is greater than 1/4 times 0 is 0, and then 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So 0 is greater than negative 3, so I have to shade everything above the blue line. Okay, so my solution is everything in this red-orange color where the two colors overlap, and then on this black line too, partway. So like a solution could be 6, 7. And then everything that is in pink, white, or yellow, and on this dash line, and even on this part of the green line, that's not a solution since it's not in this area right here. So an example of a solution or a non-solution could be 4, negative 6. So it's not a solution. So everything in this area.